that is inbound. So here you have to build at least 3 interface. One interface you have to fill to send the file, app file or DME file to bank. For this you have to build one interface. Another interface, bank will send the status from bank to the status file bank will send. Okay, so BCM status, this will be one. This is inbound interface, and it is outbound interface. And one more interface you can build if you want to EBS file also. So many companies will automate it means EBS file will get extracted, it will come to here and automatically EBS will be run in the SAP. If you are not automating it, then this EBS interface is not required. So what is the alternative? You go to the bank, log into the bank, extract the file, come and load it manually in the SAP. So manually you'll see, but here one interface you may require. So EBS, inbound interfaces. So these are the minimum interfaces required in the APP whole process. So today we are going to see this interface, how to prepare the FS. So you have to prepare the FS also. Okay, functional specification, how we are going to interface, how the file is going from here to here, here to here. Okay, that interface. For this interface you have to build functional specification. Functional specification means functional specification means it is like you're documenting the process with table and flow and chart and field, so that your technical consultant can understand what is your requirement. Accordingly he can or she can develop the things. Okay, so let us prepare one functional specification. Functional specification, 99% it will be in Word document. I have never seen anybody prepare functional specification in the Excel. Okay, so it will be in Word document. So let us open one Word.